I couldn't help but wonder, what makes Sex and the City so iconic? Is it the storyline? Is it the character building of each woman trying to figure out the dating world in New York? No, it's the fashion. The fashion is hands down so iconic. Sex and the City is known for their fashion. Although it was made about, I don't know, 20 years ago, they are still a huge source of fashion inspiration. Whose style do you relate to most? That's why I think we need to dive in and dissect the style of each character. We have Carrie, we have Charlotte, we have Samantha, and we have Miranda. They are such iconic characters. Let's start off with Carrie. Carrie Bradshaw is also one of my favorites. I love her style. She has very eclectic but a daring sense of style. She pairs very classic pieces with unexpected things that I think is so chic and so fun. I love how she just has tons of fun with her fashion. Go for a sequin skirt and pair it with a very simple tank. Creates an interesting juxtaposition to where you're thinking, does that really go together? Don't shy away from combining different textures and different colors. Don't be afraid to be daring with your outfits. I know Carrie wouldn't. Second outfit, Carrie does not shy away from florals, and she doesn't shy away from very feminine, flowy dresses. You see her in a few of these throughout the season. Carrie is a prime example of being innovative and really creative. Feminine, flowy, floral silhouettes are perfect for summer. They have such a vintage feel to them that just screams Carrie Bradshaw. And for the third outfit, she would just make tiny little adjustments to make her outfit less boring. Really made Carrie kind of stand out. Don't forget to accessorize. Try pairing a simple black dress with a pop of print with your bags or a cute little belt. Your accessories can totally change up an outfit, and I think this is very Carrie approved. I think it's super important to note her character is kind of chaotic and is just navigating life impulsively. I feel like she kind of tones down her outfits when her life is feeling kind of out of control. You don't have to go out and buy designer shoes or designer purses or anything like that if you are inspired by Carrie Bradshaw. And I think that's also where her creativity comes in. She's a writer, and so she has to be pretty creative, and so I think that reflects in some of her outfits as well. And she writes about really daring things, and her life reflects in her clothes. That's something that I think is super important. Don't just go out and buy pieces that you see on Pinterest or let's say this video if you don't think that your lifestyle would relate to that, if you know what I mean. Because you would be looking at your closet and having all of these pieces, but you don't really feel like you could wear them in your day-to-day life. Just be mindful of that. And next up we have Charlotte. She is classy, she's elegant, she's feminine. She has more of a timeless style compared to everybody. She's romantic. She romanticizes her life, and she really likes the finer things in life. And dare I say, she has that old money style. I think looking at Charlotte's outfits, they are super timeless. You could see almost every single one of her outfits today. And I think she sticks with very modest silhouettes. Opt for a midi skirt with a simple top. Keep the accessories classic and understated. This is where the whole timeless style comes in. Nothing too flashy, simple, and elegant. I think this outfit is super cute. It's very timeless, very sophisticated, elegant, chic. And the next outfit for Charlotte York, I feel like she would gravitate more towards sets. Sets are such an easy way to make your outfit look so put together with minimal effort. Monochromatic outfits are minimal, but they can look so sophisticated and elegant and very Charlotte. She's also kind of a rule follower as well. I think that reflects in her outfits. She's not as daring as the other girls. I also think that the silhouettes that she would choose would be a little bit more romantic, not as form-fitting, not as sexy. It would be a little bit more elegant. Try a silhouette that has a fuller skirt. More of a romantic feel while also being extremely elegant. Throughout the seasons, we see Charlotte in black a lot, especially at big events, accessorized with diamonds and pearls. Think about romantic silhouettes, think about polka dots, pearls, sets, chic little sweaters. Charlotte York is the sophisticated, elegant babe. And then next we have Samantha. She is the siren. She oozes confidence. She's comfortable with her sexuality. She is a lot more daring when it comes to the dating world, a lot more free. And so I think that reflects in her wardrobe as well, with a lot of cheetah print, a lot of animal print, a lot of color. Red, I think, is a sexy color. When it comes to Samantha Jones, confidence is key. Try pairing your favorite top with a cute little skirt. Make sure it's something that you feel incredible in. Red and black are always good colors to wear, and just own it. And Samantha Jones would not be Samantha Jones without a little bit of leopard print. Opt for a skirt that shows a little leg. It's fun, it's flirty, it's a sexy way of showing a little bit of skin without showing way too much, if you know what I mean. It can also make your outfit just look a little bit more interesting. And then for the third outfit that I think Samantha would wear are these tiger print jeans that I got. Full send on a statement pant, because Samantha girls are not afraid of making a statement. If you're not really into the cheetah leopard print, I think a tiger print is so underrated. I feel like we don't see it enough. I think it's such a fun way to spice up an outfit. And then we have Miranda Hobbes. She is sort of the voice of reason in the group. She's a working girl, she's a lawyer, and so I think that her practicality of her mindset emulates in her wardrobe as well. She wants to be comfortable, but she also looks chic. She's confident, but she doesn't have to show a bunch of skin and doesn't have to wear flashy things to show her confidence. Opt for a flouncy, comfortable pant. If it has print, even better. I think it makes your outfit look a little bit more interesting, and better yet, it's comfortable. And then play around with your accessories. I think Miranda girls love accessories. And her profession really defines her style as well. She's a strong, independent woman, and she has to hold her own in the courtroom, and so I think she would have a lot of pantsuits and a lot of pinstripe vests. Trousers and a suit vest are super chic. They make you look very put together, and points to you if they don't match, because I think that it looks a little bit less formal and more practical for your day-to-day life. And the third outfit for Miranda Hobbes, that she wears a lot of print. It's practical, doesn't show a lot of skin, it's professional, but it's still fun. I think when you're describing someone as practical, professional, you don't think that they're fun, but I think Miranda's fun. I think she just has a bit more of a head on her shoulders than the other girls and isn't as daring, but I do think she's still fun and she can let loose. She's confident. If you gravitate towards Miranda and her style, I think that a lot of pantsuits. She does wear a few dresses. I think she keeps her dresses pretty simple. Think chunky accessories, comfortable outfit, but still pretty chic and classic silhouettes. I also think it's super fun. Experiment with your style. That's where these inspiration videos gets me so excited, because you can pull certain elements of these characters' style and emulate it into your outfit, your wardrobe that works for you. If you're a fan like me and you found some inspiration from these outfits, I can't wait to see them. Please show me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.